Hey guys, my name is Hannah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you step by step how to create this look. I used the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I knew that I wanted to create a fall look and I haven't used this palette in a very long time. So I'm really glad that I was able to incorporate that into today's look. That is actually the very first video that I posted on YouTube. I used this palette. I will make sure that I link it down below. I think I like how that one turned out as well, obviously. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out if you give it a thumbs up if you like it. So if you want to see how to create today's look, make sure you keep on watching. First off, I just want to mention I already have my face makeup on, done, however you want to put that. I just have the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer on for bronzer, and then I have this Tarte blush in Insightful once again, and then I also have the Becca Highlight in Opal as my highlighter. It's been seriously my go-to. I mentioned this in my favorites, but it's been my go-to a lot lately, so I already have that on. Oh, and also this is going to be kind of more of a nighttime fall look. So it's just going to be a little bit deeper, a little bit richer, and I think it's going to be really pretty. So the first shade that I'm going to take is this shade right here, Cayenne. It's this kind of dark brown, and it's going to be my transition color. I'm just going to take it with this brush right here, pack it on, and I should probably set up my mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing. Cool. Now I can see what I'm doing. And this is a lot darker than the normal transition shade that I use, but I tried this out earlier and I liked how it turned out. And by earlier, I mean like a few hours ago. So yes, I did have my eye makeup all done, and then I took it off again just to film this video, and so now my makeup's gonna look really great, and I'm probably not gonna go anywhere else tonight. It's fine. The things you do for YouTube, right? And then below that, I'm going to take this deep burgundy shade right here in Fuego, and I'm going to be using the Sigma E56 brush and put that below where I put that transition shade and kind of overlapping a little bit. Kind of like right where my crease starts. I would describe that as. This will look a little sloppy, but once again, don't worry. I am going to blend it. And then it'll look great. And then for a little bit of contrast, I'm going to use this E34, and I'm going to take Ashes right here on my outer corner. I was debating whether to do this or not, because my all over lid color is going to be kind of a red sparkly shade. So I wanted a little bit of contrast, and also the lipstick I'm going to be wearing is a really deep plum. So I kind of wanted the look to all go together. So just really concentrate on that on the outer edge. And I'm going to now take this E40 and just kind of blend it, because especially my left eye is getting kind of sloppy looking and I'm not really liking it. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that in Fuego on my left eye. And now for the fun shade, I'm going to take Scorched right here, which is this beautiful kind of reddish shimmery shade, and I'm just gonna swatch that first. I swatched it in my first makeup tutorial that I used this with, but it's just, oh man, it's so pretty. Like, I mean, I love this shade so much. Really pretty. And to apply that, I'm going to be taking this Crown brush. I got this in my Fall FabFitFun. It doesn't have a specific name, but I'm just going to take this brush here. And this is so foiled that I don't even need to wet this with all-nighter setting spray. Such a pretty color. Anyone seeing that and getting really happy? Just me? I don't even need to layer that just to make it really stand out, like just one swoop one swipe kind of, you know. So pretty. Looks like I lost the enfuego a little bit, so I want to make sure that that is noticeable. I know a lot of my eye looks seem to be reddish, but I mean, I try to make them different still. I just really like this eyeshadow range. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to take Chaser right here, which is just a matte shade. And I'm going to take this E52 brush to apply that with. So I was cleaning my room earlier today and I finally found this brush. I've been looking for this forever. It's amazing what you'll find whenever you clean. But I am just going to put some of this Ashes, which is this dark plum color, on my lower lash line. And I like this brush especially for this application because you can get really close and precise. So that is it for eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And now I'm going to apply my mascara. First I'm going to curl my lashes, of course. Once again, I'm going to be using this Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. And then the lip color that I have to use is what I think it makes this especially fall. It is the Urban Decay Blackmail like duo set, because it's the lip liner is in Blackmail and then the lipstick is also in Blackmail. It's actually a deep plum, but like it kind of is black. I'll swatch it on my hand. As you can see, right, it is kind of plum, but it ends up looking almost black, and I think it's really, really fun. This is also why I would call this more of a nighttime fall look and not a daytime, but you wear it in the daytime if you want. That is totally fine. So I'm just gonna line my lips first, and this time I am gonna fill them in as well. And now for the lipstick, if I can open this. So yeah, this lipstick is basically black. But if you do want to make it more of a like deep plum, you can just take the E56 and apply it with this brush. Just take that off the tip of the lipstick and it will be a little less pigmented and maybe not as intense if this is not necessarily what you're going for. But that completes today's look. I'll kind of get close so you can see the eyeshadow especially. I really like how this turned out. I think it's really, really pretty. Definitely a fall look for sure. If you did like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.